In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitLab. Easy tutorial. This walkthrough is designed to help you connect your project management with your code workflow, so tasks, commits, and merge requests stay in sync. By the end, you'll have a reliable bridge between ClickUp and GitLab that saves time and improves visibility for your entire team. Start by opening your browser and signing into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the integration enabled, and confirm you have the necessary admin or integration permissions. Those permissions are required to connect external apps, so it's worth checking before you proceed. Once you're in the correct workspace overview, look toward the top area of the interface and click on the More option. This expands additional settings and tools that aren't shown by default. From there, open the Apps section. This is the hub where ClickUp lists available integrations you can install for your workspace. Inside Apps, scroll through the catalog or use the search field to find GitLab. When you see it, select GitLab to open its integration details. Here you'll get a quick summary of what the integration can do, including how it associates ClickUp tasks with GitLab activity, like commits and merge requests. Click Connect to begin. You'll be redirected to GitLab to grant access. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in to your GitLab account. Review the permissions carefully so you understand what ClickUp will be able to read and link. If your team uses a self-hosted GitLab instance, choose the option to authorize using a custom GitLab URL and enter your organization's GitLab address. Otherwise, continue with a standard GitLab authorization. When you're comfortable with the access requested, approve the connection. After authorization, you'll land back in ClickUp with the GitLab integration active. From this point forward, your workspace can associate development activity with the relevant work items. Many teams reference task IDs in commit messages and merge requests, so updates appear right where the team manages tasks, keeping everyone aligned without extra manual effort. Depending on your setup, you may also see options to tailor how these updates display inside tasks, helping you match the integration to your workflow. And that's all it takes. You've successfully linked ClickUp with GitLab in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you get set up, give it a like and subscribe for more straightforward productivity and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.